Oil for $200 per barrel. Is it for real? Say so, Iran. And why? Using the geographical leverage that it has actually successfully blocked the Strait of Hormuz. And उसके साथ साथ around 25% of the world's oil supply. LPG crisis देखिए आप तो समझ ही गए होंगे. But any country, be it China only, cannot afford a price of $150 per barrel, let alone $200. फिर इस मुश्किल से बचाएगा कौन? Washington? We obviously have no clue as to what US might do in future, but at least we can predict it to some extent. Action 1. ईरान को इकोनॉमिकली तोड़ दो. जहां 90% ऑयल ईरान का चाइना इंपोर्ट करता है, वहां चाइनीज बैंक्स पे सेकेंडरी सैंक्शंस लगा दो. पर सैंक्शंस लगाओगे किस पे? कौन से बैंक पर? ईरान और चाइना तो डॉलर्स में डील ही नहीं करते हैं. उनका तो एक अपना ही अलग बार्टर सिस्टम चल रहा है. सो दिस मूव नॉट एप्लीकेबल. एक्शन 2. लेवरेज यूएई एंड सऊदी अरेबिया. कैसे? If the war continues, the world would be losing around 20 million barrels per day. And to make up this deficiency, other oil supplying countries, they need to step up.
Saudi Arabia and UAE are the only two countries in the world with significant readily available spare oil capacity of around 3 to 4 million barrels per day. Let's say इसके बदले में US promises to protect them from the Iranian missiles that might hit their refineries. But UAE and Saudi Arabia, they manage their oil economies closely with Russia and the other producers from OPEC. You think they would be quiet at this? Especially helping out to USA? Anyway, but for all this to work out, you first need to clear the strait. तभी तो oil supply होगा. So this action may or may not work. Action number 3, diplomacy and back channel negotiation. हर लड़ाई का solution. US just needs to pass an internal message to Iran via Qatar and Oman that it does not want any regime change. Rather, it just wants to secure the strait. Simple है ना, आप गेट खोल दो, हमारा ऑयल पास होने दो और आप अपना पावर एंजॉय करो. पर अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करते हो, then US would come. It would flex its muscle and shed some blood. And this might actually work. You know why? Because historically we have so many instances where Tehran has actually compromised rather than face total destruction. But again, these are just predictions. असलियत में क्या होता है वो देखने के लिए तो वेट करना ही पड़ेगा. But if you did enjoy these predictions, please subscribe to Prama and give some love.